R.Rwizi's fortunes are dwindling each day. The latest is the invasion of water hyacinth that is hindering its flow.
Notunulira government yaffe saawa zino weyimiridde oluzinga olwo oluyamba abantu balukozesa naye era bwe lufaanana.
We don't know first of all how it came into this river, but we had it some time back in other rivers and lakes. But finally it has come into our river.
According to the NEMA focal person Western Region, Musingwire Jesonius, the spores of this weed was last spotted along this river in 2006. Then the Ministry of Water and Environment obtained samples and tried to control its spread, but these efforts now appear reversed.
But this water hyacinth, with its spores, it has over-multiplied, and that is now, it is covering a big section of the river R.Rwizi, starting from Rwampara County in the sub-county of Uganda, downstream in Nyakayojo.
Following the results obtained from the examination of the weed spores, the ministry sanctioned biological controls which involved introduction of weevils to feed on the hyacinth. The weed has, however, returned.
The beetles ate what they could eat, but the spores remained in the system, and that is why from that time to now, the water hyacinth infestation has over-multiplied. And now it needs all intervention, being mechanical removal and even biological control, so that we can save the water.
R.Rwizi is also threatened by encroachment on its catchment areas, contamination, silting as a result of bricklaying as well as sand mining. Communities attribute the problems to leaders who have failed to protect the river due to fear of affecting their political ambitions.
The trouble we have is all about leadership. Our leaders have been quiet, and actually what they do is only threatening.
Water hyacinth doesn't only hinder the flow of water, but it also endangers aquatic life. In August, leaders in Bara vowed to evict all encroachers accused of contributing to the spread of the hyacinth. This is, however, yet to be effected. Some leaders are encouraging communities to uproot the weed.
After 1 week, we are going into business. So we are calling upon people, let them begin either removing their barbed wires if it's a farm, if it's food.
People actually who are neighboring the wetlands and they have not disturbed it are very much committed and willing to help us and get out these people. Whoever resists, the law is very clear, you will be taken to court. Simple.
But according to community watchdog NEMA, government must increase allocations to environment conservation in order to reduce lamentations. Kanari Mugume, Ambrose Muhumza, NBS, Live at 9.